guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost, just hit it. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, you cute babies. You guys are so precious. You guys are the best. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be unboxing my latest collection, my new Canon M50 like Mark II. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I've got to this stage. Like, I'm now officially a camera owner, and we're going to unbox it together. So basically, this is the camera. It came in this huge pack on it. First thing I see is this huge menu that I'm definitely not going to read, so get out. And this stuff in Chinese that I'm also definitely not going to read. The next thing we're going to see is the camera battery. It has this LED cover, which is dope, so that's like water and stuff doesn't enter in it. And this is obviously the camera charger. You put this battery, I think you put the battery inside. Okay, yeah, I think you put the battery inside here to charge it. And the next thing is the strap thingy, which I'm very much sure I will not really be needing, but still it's good they put it inside here. And the next thing is officially the camera, like so it has this bubble wrap thing. Tell me if you're, no matter how old you are, trust me, you cannot resist the bubble wrap. Like, you cannot resist the bubble wrap. So nervous because I'm very excited. So this is the camera, guys. Like, this is the camera. So clean, so fresh, so perfect. Like, it's so beautiful. So this is how you open the stuff, obviously. So the next thing in this camera is going to be like 15 to 45 meter lens. People that know me personally know I'm into like videography, I'm into photography, so I didn't just get this camera for YouTube because, guys, I have an amazing project I'm working on, produce a movie very soon. And I'm saying this because I'm tired of producers in Nigeria messing with me. Like, literally, whenever you go to a producer and want to feature in a movie, they always want to take advantage of you. I'm tired of that nonsense. Camera, guys. Oh, sorry, like, I have to put the battery so you guys can see. So this is where you put the battery. And one more thing. You obviously need a memory card, so you put the memory card in here like that. And then battery, we need the battery, guys. Like, Brenna's going to be so out of her mind when she knows I got this camera. Like, she's going to be freaking excited. I cannot find the battery anymore. Oh, sorry. So you put the battery in here and you close it back. I feel like at this point the camera is set to like turn on, so you have this stuff here, off, on. You turn it on and it blinks light, I guess. So obviously the camera is on. Look, camera is on now. So I'm going to like I don't know what to do. I think I have to obviously read the menu or something. Didn't even ask me what I wanted. Okay, guys, so like I'm officially recording on the camera right now. Ooh, it's so pretty. I look so happy that I finally got this camera, and I want to like use it to like make more photography, more ways to create content. It will also help me because my iPhone is obviously filled up. So Thank you guys so much for watching, and I feel like this is a very good camera because like I like the way it feels, and it's very portable. Like it's a very compact camera because I don't really like to hold like heavy stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.